friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making roasted okra. For this easy recipe, we need fresh okra. I washed it before making the video. And for the seasonings, I'll just use salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And I also use some olive oil. So for the seasonings, totally up to you what you want to use. Feel free to be creative. You can also add some cayenne pepper if you'd like them extra spicy. Any seasonings you like. So now I'm going to start by slicing the okra, and I forgot to mention I preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So to slice the okra, I need to cut off the stems first. So I don't use those parts. And now just slice it into rounds. So here, once I slice the okra, I'm going to put it in a bowl. And I'm going to season it. Just sprinkle with your seasonings to taste. Here is salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and drizzle with some olive oil. It helps it roast. So use about a tablespoon or so. And now I'm going to toss it so okra is coated with oil and seasonings. And now I'm going to put it on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. I like to use parchment paper for easy cleanup. So just add the okra and then spread it so it's in a single layer. And now I'm going to put it in the oven. So again, the oven has been preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And cook it until it's nicely roasted, golden brown, and tender. So now the okra has been roasting for 20 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's ready. Let's take a look. Look at that. It's so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. This is the perfect roasted okra. And you can always try to make sure it's tender enough to your liking, because if you'd like, you can also roast it more, but for me, 20 minutes was perfect. So let me just remove it from the baking sheet. So with parchment paper, it's so easy. I'll just put it this way. Perfect. Look how good it looks. So nicely browned. Looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. It's so delicious. So if you're not a fan of okra because of its slimy texture, you need this recipe because this roasted okra is not slimy. Roasting really makes it tender and gets rid of the slime. And it's so delicious, so flavorful. This is one of my favorite ways to make it. Try it, you will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easier recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!